So I live in the mountains and we found a waterfall in our backyard. So now let's go restore it. So here's the waterfall we're cleaning. And here's the view behind the waterfall. So step one is to snip away all of the overgrowth. Oh, look at this. It's like 30 degrees and my fingers are going numb, but now there's a lot of dead branches from this tree right here that I need to just throw off to the side. Oh, wow. Woo. Holy cow. Moving on up. And that's a whole bunch of thorn bushes that leads to another little pond thing we have up there that has a little waterfall. But I need to clear out all of that. It's not going to be easy. I needed some extra manpower. We got rid of it. For anyone wondering how close this waterfall right here is to our house is right there. Phase one on the lower half is complete. We have like a clear channel now. Now there's some overgrowth up there that I'm gonna tackle. Then it'll be time to kind of restructure this, move some rocks around and get the flow going. If you'd like to see the whole process of me turning this into a beautiful waterfall, then be sure to like and follow along.